So me and Shane are back at Zion National Park. It's Friday, so it's gonna probably be really busy today. But we had to come back today because the Canyon Overlook Trail is open Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's closed the rest of the week. They're doing some work on it right now. So we're currently doing the scenic drive and headed up there, and then later today we're gonna do the Narrows. We're at the beginning of the Overlook Trail, the Canyon Overlook Trail. It is jam-packed today. If they didn't have this trail closed Monday through Thursday, we would have already done this one, so let's go check it out. We made it to the top. This is the Canyon Overlook Trail. 0.5, half a mile up and then half a mile back. It's actually nice up here because everybody's really spread out, so you don't feel like there's a million people on the trail. Headed to the Narrows now. We're gonna go back through the tunnel and go back into the main area of the park and hit the Narrows up. buddy? Hey! Oh my god, that's awesome. Y'all, we have been looking all week for these guys. We literally came over from the Canyon Overlook Trail, and they're right beside our car. It was perfect timing, and they're right here. That's awesome. Oh my god, I love them so much. Oh, they're cute. Oh my god. That is awesome. How lucky.